Which one will get you more traction on your YouTube channel? YouTube cards or YouTube end screens? Ultimately, you want more views, right? One works like a charm and the other not so much. Today we'll be answering that very question. If you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe for more, as this channel will be adding more tips and tricks to building your YouTube presence. Now on to the video. YouTube cards versus YouTube end screens. Most people have trouble understanding which idea will work better for the benefit of you as a content creator. But let's take the term YouTube watch time, also known as audience retention, and go a little further with it. This metric tells us, accordingly to YouTube, the more time the viewer spends watching your video, the longer the viewer will stay on your channel. And really, that's what matters to YouTube. Simply put, watch time is a percentage of your video that is watched by any given viewer on your channel. Now let's talk about how the odds work against you and may even reduce the watch time in a video, no matter the content. Let's say you just created a video. You have a 6-minute video and decide to put up a card 2 minutes into the video. If most people click on that card, you'll diminish the odds they'll even stick around a little bit to watch the end of that video. What does that mean? It means YouTube won't recommend a video like this since no one is staying on it. Now that you have a little better idea about cards, you really want to make the main focus on end screens. That's right, end screens are the clear winner here. But it's not just using end screens, but understanding how to use them to get the most out of your content. So here's how you do it. Head to the YouTube studio and click on the video icon known as Content. Then select the video you want to work with. Once inside, look to the far right and scroll down. It's there you'll see your options. Go ahead and click on the pencil icon. You'll see different options you can use for an end screen, but keep in mind whatever you select could now have a huge result on your future videos. But the one I'm going to recommend is this one. The reason this template I believe is the most powerful is because you don't need to tell them to subscribe in the template. That should be established in the beginning of your video when you tell your audience what your content is about. By the time they get to the end of your video, you should be leading them to more options to watch similar videos. Quick tip: midway through your video, you may want to even give a nudge to your audience and say, hey, if you want to know more about fill in the blank, I've got a video you'll want to see recommended at the end of this video. Don't hang on it. Be clear and concise and move on and back to your content. Use words like listen or don't miss when setting up the end screen video in your mention. So the odds of someone clicking more on your end screen just increased by a quick mention midway through the video of a related topic, using words that are inviting like listen or don't miss, and give them the call to action to click to watch the video at the end. Toward the end of your video, never let your audience think the video is over by saying things like, that's it for this video, or I hope you found this helpful. Always lead them on to the next. Instead, you might say, if it's a topic about gaming, listen, beat every boss with this technique, watch the videos here. You didn't say the video was over, but you led them to the next. Be creative, be interesting, learn more about YouTube techniques, and grow your channel fast here in my latest videos. Thanks again for watching. See you guys soon.